Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place concealer. I believe this is the number 16, and my AB8 setting powder to set it. I'm now going to use my LA Girl Fierce and Wild palette. I'm just going to take that shade right there, and I'm going to put that, well, I'm going to put that shade as well as the other shade. I'll mix those together, and I'm going to put it in my crease. And now I'm just cutting my crease with that same concealer, the Juvia's Place concealer. Now I'm going to take that shade and put that like on the inner part of my eyes, and then I'm going to take the other shimmery shade and then put that right next to it. Now I'm going to take the two dark brown shades in that palette and just use that on the outer parts of my eyes. Now I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm using my AOA Studio Lash Glue and my Ioni lashes. Now I'm going to use my Essence Mascara and use my Sephora eye pencil. Move on to the face. I'm using my L'Oreal Moisture Filler Moisturizer. And for my primer, use my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. And to correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. And for my foundation, use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 425. For some more coverage, I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon and put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. Okay, to highlight, I'm going back in with that Juvia's Place concealer, and I actually meant to use my Essence concealer because it's not as bright as this, but everything come together. So if y'all see me looking crazy, just remember everything is going to come together at the end. And while that's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Hair and Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm going to use that color to bronze. Now I'm using my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach just to set that concealer that I blended out. For my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now for my blush, I'm just going to use that same shade and the orange mixed together for my blush. And I'm just going to use that top shade that's in the same palette for my highlight. Now for lips, I'm using my Juvia's Place Lip Liner Brownie and my Sephora Lip Gloss Bomb in number 34, Show and Tell. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to spray my face to set it. And that is it, y'all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look that I did. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, it's free. Don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up, because that helps my channel. I will see you all on the next one. Make sure that y'all take care of yourselves. Bye.